Hey guys, my name's Benny and welcome to Nomad Effect. It's been a bit of a crazy week and I just wanted to get a quick little video out to you guys. So all of our bumpers and sliders and everything like that have been drying for over 7 days now. So I was going to start putting the little accessories on just to see what this looks like, and I thought that could be a cool little video. So let's get this done. I went to some auto parts store and we bought it says Cruiser Accessories Ultimate Kit. And it just has some little like screws and stuff like that with pretty little hex heads on them. Thought these would be really cool for fixing the lights to the main bumper. So I'm just gonna take this apart and see whether the paint's made the holes too small for these lights to fit in. It's like hitting on the paint, I think, somewhere.
This is a good idea what you're doing. Just want to tell people at home.
Definitely took too much off. There's just a lot of paint in these corners, you know? I think I cut this a little bit too close to the edges of these lights. So the thickness of the Monster liner is just actually making it a little bit hard to fit the lights back in. So I'm just going to be really gentle with this file and try and take a tiny little bit of the Monster liner away to see if I can pick a couple of the drips up and get the light back in.
What do you think, YouTube world? Cool? Not cool?
Cool.
Cool.
So just that corner
We
there.
got one,
Lift it up.
and we got two.
Cool, right?
Yeah. Are we gonna do winch plate now?
Yeah. Contrary to popular opinion, men do read instructions sometimes.
Wouldn't it be in the front? Like where it's like, this is what this bolt's for, kind of thing.
You would think so, right?
That's how IKEA does it.
So you feeling it then? Why would you do that to me?
I don't understand.
As much sense as it makes, it doesn't make sense. So, just installed the little lights and the fairlead plate into the bumper. And I just wanted to make sure that the winch we bought fit, and it fits perfectly. So this is a 12,000 pound winch, and it's big, but it fits perfectly. So I'm not quite ready to put the bumper in yet. I'll put all this and assemble it when we're installing the bumper. But for right now, I'm just glad that it fits, and it seems to clear everything where it fits the car. And it's a little bit humid today. Okay, back bumper put back together as well. So we have the checker plate aluminium on top that it comes with. We just reinstalled it. It's all Monster line underneath now. And we have LED, brake, and reverse lights. And then this is where the shower hoses are going to go. So I'll go and dig that out. So I've just been pottering around all day, looking at how the back bumper and stuff like that gets assembled. I dug through the shed and pulled out all the other little parts of it. This is the part that holds the two jerry cans. This part is what that attaches to, and then still wrapped up there is the actual tire carrier. And then there's all these bearings and things like that that go onto the hinges that swing in and out. But what I'm really happy with the way this is kind of coming together, except that I just broke it. So this is the section here where the in and out taps are going to go, and I just broke the plastic hinge on this thing. It was a little bit flimsy, so I'm gonna have to come up with something cool. But so yeah, this will be like to refill and hot water out and cold water out as well, and that'll be on there. That'll be attached straight to the bumper bar, and I'll fix this hinge up so it doesn't it's not so bobo. But while I'm doing this now on camera, I can't even get it connected back in. Okay, but it looks good. So like when it's actually working, it's just going to be nice and clean. And then these are the clips that the swing out's attached to. So yeah, it's looking cool. It's like looking nice and rugged. I'm glad we monster lined it because it matches everything else. And the front bumper bar is looking really clean. So this one, so the lights are in. They look really nice. The fair lead's in, and we, like you saw before, we just laid the winch on it. I don't know whether I put that on video, but I hope I did. And that was really cool too. It all fit. So that has been my worries. Not that I lose a lot of sleep over it because everything doesn't fit, but it all looks pretty good to me. Anyway, a little short update for you guys. We'll come back with something better next week, hopefully. I've got to attack these barn doors. I'm putting it off, basically. I'm just being a scaredy cat. So I'll try and get that done, and I probably won't film it, and once it's done, we can just start moving forward, and all these videos will get interesting again. So, catch you next week.